In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail layout. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In the Quick Settings sidebar, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Inbox Type. This section allows you to control how emails are organized and displayed in your inbox. Click on one of the available layout options to preview the change. Gmail offers several layouts such as Important First, Unread First, Starred First, Priority Inbox, or Multiple Inboxes. Each option organizes your emails differently to help you focus on specific messages. First, if you choose Priority Inbox or Multiple Inboxes, you'll also see a Customize button. Click Customize if you want to adjust how many emails appear in each section or change how the sections are arranged. This gives you more control over how your inbox is structured. Continue scrolling down in the Quick Settings panel until you reach the Reading Pane section. The Reading Pane allows you to preview emails without opening them in a separate view. Select Right of Inbox if you want the preview panel to appear on the right side of your email list. This splits the screen vertically so you can browse emails on the left while reading messages on the right. You can also select Below Inbox if you prefer the preview pane to appear underneath your email list. This splits the screen horizontally so the inbox appears at the top and the message preview appears below. Next, scroll further down until you find the email threading section. Here you can control how email replies are grouped. Check the box for Conversation View if you want replies to be grouped together in a single thread. If you uncheck this option, Gmail will display each email reply as a separate message in your inbox. After making your preferred changes, close the Quick Settings panel by clicking the X or clicking anywhere outside the sidebar. Gmail will automatically apply the layout settings to your inbox, so there's no need to manually save the changes. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.